let's get into the business side a little bit, right? Because I know we doing it for the passion, but there's a check to it. There's
Hmm.
there's some bags to it. So
Hmm.
talk to us about the business side of what you do and that very first check that you got. You don't have to say the amount, but
Hmm.
like that very first check, that feeling that like, oh snap, this we got to do the business side right.
Hmm. So before you can get a check, you got to invest.
Mm,
See, with your own money. See, some people want to go get a check, but they invest. Everything got to be on point. And second thing is, you want to make sure you're a necessity. People want you. Like, I'm not gonna say who. Like, I got a call here if somebody want to do some work, but I wanted to be versatile. I wanted to change the dynamic of a speaker. So we speak about the checks and different things.
mhm.
I don't only want to get paid from being on stage or whatever. If you reach out, you want me to be on your album? Okay, here, I need 10,000, 3,000, whatever.
Right.
Intro, whatever.
Price
You
went up.
know,
So if you just heard that price, the price just went up. Don't take that.
yeah,
Don't take what he just said.
and it's gonna change next week. No, but I chase the gift and not the money, so that would keep me hungry too. But I want to tap into everything. Jacksonville Jaguars just reached out to me and my manager. Um, we spoke with them 2 weeks ago. They wanted to do something for the draft, but things it was too soon or whatever, so we couldn't get it work out. But
Mhm.
Dallas Mavericks, that's another one. Um, a lot of people reaching out to do things. I'm thankful and grateful for that as well. But I keep pushing and stay focused and continue to grow and be better at what I do. But I don't never let one check define who I am. I knew who I was when I was dead and broke. I
Right,
knew who I
right,
was. You know, I barely graduated high school. That's when I was in the trenches. So if I can make it through that, shoot, I don't care how many zeros behind it. It doesn't
right.
matter. It doesn't define me, but it does help me put my family in a good position and create some freedom.
Hmm.
So yeah.
So the voiceover work is because I was I was about to say that people must be reaching out instantly now. Like, okay, I've
Mhm.
taken your audios here and there, but I need specific
Mhm.
message for my team, for my vibe. Like, but what else do you see? I know you got the merch. Listen, if you don't get his merch with the talk that talk and like I don't know what's wrong with you, right? But
Mhm.
I know you got the merch, but what is something I would say that you are as a creator wanting to get more into?
Everything
Okay.
that what God want me to be in. Movies,
Mm.
got commercials, um, everything. It's bigger than me. It never was about me. I want to show people where I came from. You can do it, man. I don't care. You didn't have that support. We all don't have that support. Excuses sound best to the person that's making it up. What you gonna do about it today? So I want to show people that you can do it. I want to create a blueprint. I got a lot of things I want to create for people, different courses. You
Hmm.
know, I want to show people how to brand themselves. It's imperative for people to know um, you can get residual income from everything. You just got to put the work in. Motivation albums that make money on its own. Only thing I got to do is
Oh.
put it out there. That's gonna make money itself. TikTok, Facebook, no Instagram ain't the same no more, but YouTube,
Hmm.
the podcast channel I have for those who subscribe to those to that podcast. It's out there. It's about, okay, are you gonna make time or are you gonna say I don't have the time? So that's gonna separate you from being here and being average. And it's gonna be a lot of days you're not gonna get that much sleep. You're gonna be tired. You're gonna be exhausted. I went 12 months. My wife had to tell me, "Hey, take a week off." So I started doing
Mm.
repurposed videos because it started taking a toll on you because you got this, you got this, you got this, you got. Now I got 3 kids. I have 3 kids, and I have a
Beautiful.
wife, and so it just it's not too many people who more hungry than me or driven or motivated. Like it's hard for me to I can't watch TV. It's hard for me to watch TV,
Mm.
because I was telling someone before, if you want it, you can't spend 6 hours watching somebody live the life you want.
Right.
You don't watch every series. You don't watch every basketball game. They living with freedom. They get to
Mhm.
play, do something they love, and go home to their family and take trips and do this here, while you got to go to a job that you hate, that you've been at for 20 years. And that's why I say you can make money, but you can't get time back. So watch what you give time to.
Mm. Listen, I want to get into this content schedule. I promise you, because you've talked about creating something new and then repurposing. I don't want to get too much in my bag in this part, but there's one thing you did say, which is a manager, and I think a lot of creators don't even understand when to get one, how to get one. Like, talk to us about that journey of getting the manager, how important it is. Is it working? Is it not? No offense, manager. You don't have to watch this now. But like, but talk to, because they don't talk about that to us, creative entrepreneurs. They say create, and
Mhm.
then monetization is going to happen. But you're being intentional with having a manager. So talk to us about that journey.
So first and foremost, you want to have somebody around you that you can trust. Second thing is you don't need people around you who money hungry. When they money hungry, they miss the vision. They got to see your vision. Not everybody, they might be great with other people, but they might not be great with you. So you got to find somebody who fits you. And it's okay to find somebody who's different, because they might know something different than you do. But y'all both have to see the vision. And that's imperative for people to understand. If you go searching for someone just for anybody, the house gonna flood. You can keep letting people in, the house gonna flood. So
Right.
um, you want to build everything from foundation up. So that's why I did. It started with me, my wife. I have an oldest son. I have a 19-year-old son. He do some things with it as well. I put family around me first, and
Right.
then I go to the outside. And the person I went to is a person I know, very financial, analytical. This cat, this dude here, amazing, man. So um,
That's good.
we set up a meeting. We shot the ones and twos. Let them know the vision. We just talk about some great things, man. And I feel like we can be he remind me of Rich Paul, Mav Carter type
Mm.
guy. So, um, um, and I'm constantly trying to find more people to add to my team to take some of the load off of me.
Right.
And I don't want to jump too far, 'cause I know you don't ask about the content time, but
No, no, go, go,
it's
go.
about
I bring it back.
okay.
I'll bring it back.
So one of the key things to growing, you got to know the analytics. You got to know Instagram, the algorithm. It changes a lot.
Yep.
And so I post at 7:30. So I start out posting at 7:30. Um, I know my followers, my supporters, where they located. I'm in Dubai. I'm everywhere. It's crazy. That's mind blowing to me. But in the States, I know where everybody located. So I post at 7:30, and when I post, before when I started, I look at every 5 minute, every 10 minute, every 15 minute, every 20 minutes. I got to find some type of trend that's gonna teach me if this the accurate time for that day. Days make a difference. Friday's
They
not a good
do.
day.
They do.
Friday. So I just learned. I continue to find the analytics, because it's people who work in the algorithm. This is why I tell people: don't get wrong, we got AI and different things like this, but it's people who created this algorithm. So they human, just like us. They just use their mind and put into a system, make some type of database or whatever to create an algorithm. So you can think just like them. You just got to be intentional. You got to want to know how this thing work. It's not like TikTok. TikTok algorithm for everybody. You can go
Mm-hmm.
viral just by saying, hey. So I learned Instagram algorithm. I know that 7:30 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sometime around Thursday, the algorithm kind of mess up. And sometimes when you post too much, the algorithm trying to like bring you down. So let's say for 2 weeks you post every Monday through Sunday. The algorithm say, okay, you reaching 500,000 people every time. Let me bring you back. So you start reaching only 100K. Don't get discouraged. Just take a day. Just take a day off. Sometimes 2 days off. You can take Saturday and Sunday off. Therefore, it's like it's refreshing. Then you start back Monday. But most important is, if you want to build your platform, you have to be consistent. You have to have everything laid out And I don't do the scheduling post. I do it myself because when you're intentional, I know everybody who like it. The first 5 minutes, first the 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I know my people. And when you know your people, this is the social world. We're not talking about on stage yet. But if you can create something in the social world, you are winning. These people will be dedicated to you because you are dedicated to your craft. And then when you're making good material, good content, only thing you have to do is post, and they gonna share your content themselves. That will help you get 300,000, a million plays. And now you just got to keep the same structure. I'm big on structure. Keep the same pattern, same structure, and everything gonna work for itself. If I can grow my platform, what 300,000, over 300,000 in 10 months, I got to be doing something good. And I'm trending to be at a meal within the next what was it, 15 months? I think it was 15,
Mm.
16 months. And but it can be before then because another thing I'm gonna do going forward within the next couple months. I'm trying everything. And
Mhm.
I want the world. I want the world who battling with depression, anxiety, people, things. I want them to be able to come to my page and feel refreshed. That's the only thing that matters to me.